Gino, there's been nearly a 50% increase in reported cases of whooping cough in Riverside County since 2012. No deaths were reported, but in 2010, the disease claimed the lives of 10 infants across the state. Whooping cough is also known as pertussis, a bacteria that's spread from person to person and causes violent coughing. If you have a severe cough that just won't go away, doctors say you might want to get it checked out. The cases of whooping cough has increased across Riverside County.
It's what we call paroxysmal. You can't stop it, and it is extremely severe, meaning that you cough for a minute to 2 minutes, then you stop.
Medical doctor Eric Palmer says this respiratory disease is highly contagious and can be spread when somebody coughs or sneezes. The California Department of Public Health reported 46 cases of whooping cough in 2012. That's compared to 70 cases in 2013 throughout the county.
Lethality is 1.6 in children ages 1 year old or less, and they're the ones that are most prone to get it. But anybody can get it. I've seen it 6 times. I've seen it in adults.
The majority of the reported cases in California were in children. In order to prevent the illness, Dr. Palmer says vaccination is key. Children need 5 doses of the vaccine by age 6. It's also recommended that preteens ages 11 and 12 also get a booster. But doctors say adults can also come down with the illness.
For adults now, you should be revaccinated. It's called the Tdap. It seems to be good for about 6 to 8 years, and then you probably have to revaccinate again.
While cases of whooping cough were higher in California and 13 other states, nationally, the cases of pertussis actually declined in the past 2 years. Some doctors say this number reflects people getting vaccinated early. Back to you, Elizabeth.